Oke guys, ini untuk Android 10 in di mobil Mazda CX-9 udah terpasang dan udah tampilan rapi guys. Semua tombol-tombol setir berfungsi normal. Jadi ini kita custom guys untuk Mazda CX-9. Kalau umpama kita ganti head unit harus ganti power plus kamera, dan head unit bawaannya itu nggak bisa langsung dilepas gitu aja guys. Kita custom di sini, kita taruh di sini. Nah, ini soalnya yang lama ini ada chip Canbusnya untuk mengaktifkan ECU guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam dari Cek Audio Channel. Oke guys, project kita kali ini ada Mazda CX-9 atau CX-9. Beliau yang punya, owner yang punya ingin mengganti dengan head unit yang 10 in. Cuma untuk di Mazda ini kan sebenarnya harus mengubah soket-soket dan juga Canbus. Cuma untuk mendapatkan Canbus dan soket-soket tersebut di Indonesia nggak ada. Kalaupun ada biasanya kita order dari Rusia, kalau nggak gitu Jepang. Kendalanya di situ, paling nggak minimal 10 hari. Jadi kita custom menggunakan powernya di sini mas. Kita custom menggunakan power ini, power laser. Kita custom soalnya di sini ada subwoofer bawaan, tipe subwoofer tanam. Untuk Mazda seri Bose ini menggunakan subwoofer tanam, sistem audio yang terintegrasi dari dealernya, dan juga dengan sebenarnya ada power di sini di dalam door trim ini guys. Ada power bawaannya, cuma nggak bisa connect dengan head unit yang kita ganti menggunakan Android. Kalaupun ada, biasanya budgetnya masih di atas angka 10 juta. Dan beliau ini yang punya ingin ya kali saja mas, yang penting bisa berfungsi semuanya, sistem audionya berfungsi, fiturnya bertambah menggunakan Android. Jadi itulah guys, nanti pengerjaannya beberapa part aja yang saya tayangi di YouTube channel, soalnya lumayan rumit untuk mobil ini.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get
Nih guys, ini untuk pemasangan koneksi kamera. Untuk kamera bawaan Mazda ini nggak bisa support ke head unit Android, jadi harus kita ganti menggunakan kamera yang aftermarket. This is kamera aftermarket diganti. Ini masih pembenaran kamera guys, membuat jalur barunya guys.
grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Ini guys, power kita custom sendiri supaya tanpa mengganti modul dan mengaktifkan subwoofer bawaannya guys.
I'm on it, never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock.
Ini guys, ini kita custom dengan ini kita custom dengan kabel Android yang baru, jalur kamera baru kita custom ke sini. Ada juga custom untuk speaker biar sound dari Bose aktif di sebelah sana, kita custom juga.
Damn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes and not, that I'm right, yeah.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly, everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man I really hate it. God I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit.
Kabel kita custom di sini, dan juga di sana guys untuk Mazda CX-9 ini.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction. Avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no cap.
guys, ini untuk Android 10 in di mobil Mazda CX-9 udah terpasang dan udah tampilan rapi guys. Semua tombol-tombol setir berfungsi normal. Ini kabelnya tadi udah saya custom masuk ke soket yang di dalam sini, custom semua dan sudah terpasang. Kamera mundur juga udah ready.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me, they gasping. They cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm at half speed. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game.
Jadi ini kita custom guys untuk Mazda CX-9. Kalau umpama kita ganti head unit harus ganti power plus kamera, dan head unit bawaannya itu nggak bisa langsung dilepas gitu aja guys. Kita custom di sini, kita taruh di sini. Nah ini soalnya yang lama ini ada chip Canbusnya untuk mengaktifkan ECU guys. Mazda CX-9 dipasang Android, custom audio plus custom socket tadi guys. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe channel CX Audio.
I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in all together insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping.